Algorand value equivalent to $0.1926 a coin. The present exchange cost range, $0.1866, $0.1975. The earlier day close, $0.1875. The change was plus 0.0051. Plus 2.72%. Converse rate, United States dollars to Algo. Algorand value expectation for 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, and 2028. Algorand gauge for May 2024. At the outset cost at $0.22. Excessive cost 0.28, while low cost 0.22. The normal for the month 25 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 26 cents. Change for May 18.2%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place cost at $0.26. Exorbitant cost 0.32. While low cost 0.26. The normal for the month 29 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 30 cents. Change for June 15.4%. Algorand estimate for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.30. Exorbitant cost 0.34, while low cost 0.30. The normal for the month 32 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 32 cents. Change for July 6.7%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.32. Exorbitant cost 0.37, while low cost 0.32. The normal for the month 34 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 35 cents. Change for August 9.4%. Algorand gauge for September 2024. To start with cost at $0.35. Exorbitant cost 0.39, while low cost 0.33. The normal for the month 36 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 36 cents. Change for September 2.9%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at $0.36. Exorbitant cost 0.40, while low cost 0.34. The normal for the month 37 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 37 cents. Change for October 2.8%. Algorand figure for November 2024. Before all else cost at $0.37. Excessive cost 0.41, while low cost 0.35. The normal for the month 38 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 38 cents. Change for November 2.7%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2024. At the outset cost at $0.38. Excessive cost 0.43, while low cost 0.37. The normal for the month 40 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 40 cents. Change for December 5.3%. Algorand figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $0.40. Excessive cost 0.45, while low cost 0.39. The normal for the month 42 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 42 cents. Change for January 5.0%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at $0.42. Exorbitant cost 0.46, while low cost 0.40. The normal for the month 43 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 43 cents. Change for February 2.4%. Algorand conjecture for WAC 2025. At the outset cost at $0.43. Excessive cost 0.47, while low cost 0.41. The normal for the month 44 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 44 cents. Change for spring 2.3%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at $0.44. Excessive cost 0.55, while low cost 0.44. The normal for the month 49 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 51 cents. Change for April 15.9%. Algorand gauge for May 2025. Initially cost at $0.51. Excessive cost 0.57, while low cost 0.49. The normal for the month 53 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 53 cents. Change for May 3.9%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.53. Exorbitant cost 0.59, while low cost 0.51. The normal for the month 55 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 55 cents. Change for June 3.8%. Algorand figure for July 2025. Before all else cost at $0.55. Excessive cost 0.60, while low cost 0.52. The normal for the month 56 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 56 cents. change for July 1.8%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $0.56. Exorbitant cost 0.70, while low cost 0.56. The normal for the month 62 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 65 cents, change for August 16.1%. Algorand estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.65. Exorbitant cost 0.65, while low cost 0.52. The normal for the month 60 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 56 cents. Change for September 13.8%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset cost at $0.56. Excessive cost 0.64, while low cost 0.56. The normal for the month 59 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 60 cents. Change for October 7.1%. Algorand estimate for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $0.60. Exorbitant cost 0.60, while low cost 0.47. The normal for the month 54 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 50 cents. Change for November 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at $0.50. Exorbitant cost 0.50, while low cost 0.39. The normal for the month 45 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 42 cents. Change for December 16.0%. Algorand figure for January 2026. Initially cost at $0.42. Excessive cost 0.42. While low cost 0.33. The normal for the month 38 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 35 cents. Change for January 16.7%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.35. Excessive cost 0.40, while low cost 0.34. The normal for the month 37 cents. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 37 cents. Change for February 5.7%. Algorand conjecture for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $0.37. Excessive cost 0.37, while low cost 0.32. The normal for the month 35 cents. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 34 cents. Change for spring 8.1%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $0.34. Excessive cost 0.34, while low cost 0.27. The normal for the month 31 cents. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 29 cents. Change for April 14.7%. Algorand gauge for May 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.29. Exorbitant cost 0.29. While low cost 0.25. The normal for the month 28 cents. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's